Thutha wa kigeranio gya KCSE kwambiriria, arutwo makiria ma 10 mekiire kigeranio thibitari-ini itiganite thutha wao kuheo ciana mbere ya kigeranio. Kaunti-ini ya Narok, makiria ma arutwo 30 maya gwika kigeranio kiao kumana na kuohanda na angi gukorwo mahikite. Ũũ ni kuringana na County Commissioner wa kaunti ino George Natembea. Kaunti-ini ya Kitui ni arutwo na aria marokire kuheo ciana, atatu ao thibitari-ini ya Mwingi level 4 na umwe thibitari-ini ya Kitui level 5, kuria murugamiriri wa mathomo kaunti-ini ino Adano Salesa augite gutiri na muhingo ungi matunganire naguo.
There are a few cases of discipline with the students, and we are also blessed with a few children. A few girls gave birth, and all the arrangements have also been done.
Kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, airitu eri nio magiire ciana sub kaunti-ini ya Gatanga, na kuo kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga muruto umwe niwe oheirwo mwana. Kaunti-ini ya Baringo, arutwo eri marokire kugia ciana, no mihango ya igeranio no ithire na mbere hatari muhinga, guku na arutwo angi eri magikira kigeranio thibitari mari arwaru.
In the wards, we also have isolation wards. So they are in 2 side rooms in the wards.
Give exams to 4 candidates. Where one was operated and she's under recovery, but the condition cannot allow for the student to do exam in school.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Wajir, murutani munene thukuru-ini wa sekondari wa Habaswein ni aikirio ngono thutha wa kunyita muruto uria ugubati gwika kigeranio kia hinya na kumuhahama kimwiri.
We wish you well. Okay.
Minister wa githomo Amina Mohamed ni acakaite wongerereku wa ciana nini kuohanda na kuria ugite uthuthuria ni wambiriirie gutabanio niguo gutigirira aria othe makoretwo magitabania ciiko ici ni maikio ngono na kung'ethanirwo nao kiwatho.
It's very sad that we have teenage pregnancies in our country today, right? So many years after independence, and it's really sad too that those that we are supposed to protect, we don't protect, and we allow them, right, to be exposed to elements that they're too early, right, to get involved in or to be exposed to.
Girifotera Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirore.